Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I come up with another video, and in today's video I brought a device. I made this device myself. It's very easy and it's very useful, and through this device we can check any type of relay, any capacity 12 volt or 24 volt or any number of pins. We can check, like this one is you can see this is a 5-pin relay. We also can check this relay is good or not, or maybe this type of relay, this is a 4-pin relay. We also can check this relay. This is also 4-pin relay. This is also 12 volt relay. We can also check this type of relay. This is a 5-pin relay. This type of pin relay also we can check. So this type of pin we can directly 5-pin relay fix it here and check. And you can, maybe you thinking this is a 5-pin base. So how we can check this type of relays here? So for this type of relays I have made also 4 wires like this. One side is a female connector and one side is a male connector. So by using these 4 wires we can check any type, any capacity, any number of relay through this device. So first I will show you its connections, and then I will front of you check any relay through this device. So viewers, now I will talk about the wiring diagram of this device which I made at home. So this one is our relay base. This is a 5-pin base. So it's a very easy available in the market. So you take this one, and here you can see back side are the 5 wires. I took this base of the bulb from the vehicles. It's available, and I joined together with this proxy. Okay, so I joined together and it looks beautiful, and you can fix here bulb. This pin and this pin is used for the coil of the relay, and here we put the positive input voltages, and from here we get the output voltages when relay is energized. Okay, so here are 2, you can see these 2 wires for using for bulb. So how I connected the wire? So this black one is used for the negative voltages of the relay of the coil, and this white one is used for the positive voltages for the energizing the relay, and it's used for the coil. And this blue one, this is we directly fixed to the battery. This is used for the input voltages, and this yellow one wire, this yellow one is for use the output. It goes to the battery when relay is energized. So voltages come on this wire, yellow wire, and this wire is connected to the bulb, and the bulb will blow, or a bulb will light up when relay will energize, when relay is okay. So this blue one is input voltage directly connected to the battery. So this red wire, this is the middle one, this wire is not used. So this red wire is not used. This black wire, I will connect this wire of the bulb. It will I use for the negative. This is one wire of bulb, and one this negative wire I gave here negative voltages. Okay, and this white wire, this one is white wire, and this because this is a positive battery voltages, and here is a coil voltage. These are the coil voltage, this is a input voltage. I join these together. Okay, I join these together. This white one is a positive coil voltage of the relay, and this blue wire I will use for the input voltage which get from the battery. So I join together. So this I will connect it to the positive battery voltage, and these 2 wires I will connect it to the negative battery voltages. meaning yellow wire, I will connect with the positive side of the bulb because when relay will energize, relay is okay and relay will energize. So voltage, positive voltages from the battery come to this relay and it will goes to the positive side of the bulb. So now is the time is to test the tester. So you can see this one I fixed to the battery positive terminals and this side I put the battery negative terminal. Now I will fix one by one. First I fix this relay. You can see this relay is the 24 volt because this time I fixed battery 24 volt battery fix positive terminal and here the negative terminal, and now I'm going to fix this 24 volt relay. This is a 5-pin relay, so I'm going to fix this one, and if this relay is functioning okay, this bulb will light up. So here I'm going to fix. So you can see now the bulb is light up. It means my relay is okay. So now I will fix another relay. So now you can see this one is also, this is a 4-pin relay, okay, but this relay is a 24 volt. Here you can see is a 24 volt relay. So now I'm going to fix this one, but for testing this relay I will use these 4 wires which I made for specially this purpose. So what I have to do, these 2 pins are coil pin and this one is my input voltage and this one is my output voltages. So for 4-pin relay I put these wires, okay. So these are these 2 relay so these 2 wires I will put on the coil side. So these 2 points for the relay of the coil, so I put it here, and for input and output wires I put it here. So these 2 I put here, and these 2 wire, one I put this side and other I have to put this side. So you can see the bulb is light up. It's mean this relay is okay. So in the same way I also will test now this relay. This one is also 24 volt relay and has the 4 pins, and you can see these 2 points, this brown pins, these are the for coil of the relay, and these 2 white pins are for the input and output. Put these 2 wires to this brown point here. One I put here and then I put one here, and these 2 other wires, one I put one side and other put other side. So here you can see this relay is looking good one. This relay is looking new one, but bulb is not light up. It means my relay is not good one. Okay, it means this relay is faulty. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video, and